Hi everyone, it's me, Minnie, and excuse me for the background noises. I'm outside and my brother's playing soccer, so yeah. So today I'm going to do a review on the IKEA bed you can get for your AG doll. I know it's not from American Girl, but it's a really good deal, so I wanted to show you. And I got it for Easter, so you can check out that video if you want. So the bed is like really big, and it comes with pillow, a blanket, which is really cool. It has all these collars and it's striped, and this like mattress thing. And the only thing I would like it to come, it's like a little spongy thing to put, because it's really empty when you put these things. This is supposed to be like a mattress, but it's really thin, so it doesn't make it so high up. So it's wood, and I don't remember exactly the price, but I think it's $25 or something like that, which, considering American Girl, is a really good price for bed and bedding. So let me grab the doll so you can get an idea. So it's pretty good. It's a good size for a doll. See? And you can fit 2 dolls. Sorry. Okay. Let me put the mattress at least on top. You can fit 2 dolls. See? If you put one on the side, you can fit another doll nicely. It's a really good deal. It's really big though, but I mean, it's a bed for 2 dolls, which is pretty cool. And it comes with all these. You don't need like any screwdriver or anything, because it comes with like holes already made, and you just like put the little nails that come with it, and they have a little twisty thing to dive it in, because at the end it's really hard. And you can remove this, and you can paint this. You can paint the bed. So after all, it's a really good deal. $25. And plus, it comes with all these things, and I really like this bed. And yeah, so I really recommend you getting this bed, and I'm going to give you a good shot of it. Okay. Sorry. So your doll can have a lot of space when she's on the bed. And it's really pretty, and I really like it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye. Have an awesome day.